Alright, so in this video today we're going to be looking at how I fixed the Wi-Fi on my laptop. First things first, I'm on this Dell Inspiron, whatever you pronounce it, 15 3000 series. So if you're on a Dell, this might help you out if you had the same issue I was, where the Wi-Fi wasn't connecting at all, even though it would show my Wi-Fi and the signal would be perfect. Also, if you're on other laptops, it might help you out. It should be kind of similar. But basically, what happened is last night I was streaming some sports. I was on this laptop. I had my VPN open. I had a LAN cable plugged in. Everything was fine. I ended up falling asleep. When I woke up, it said my VPN disconnected and the internet was gone. I tried reconnecting it. It wouldn't connect at all. So I don't know what was happening. But when I went down here on the desktop, and if you look at the internet, it would give me like the globe, you know what I mean? That there's no internet instead of this signal. But if I would click on it, this is my Wi-Fi that I'm trying to connect to. It would give me perfect signal like how it is now. It just every time I would disconnect and try to connect, it would say there's no internet. So the first thing that I did is I turned off the Wi-Fi by clicking this off, wait a little bit, clicked it back on, try to connect, same thing. You could see the signal, but it wouldn't, like it would tell me there's no internet, it wouldn't connect. So that's one of the things I try to do. I also cleaned the cache, clear the cache, all that, browser settings, reset the laptop, tried it, still wasn't working. So what I did, I went to command prompt, you know what I mean, typed in good old CMD, opened that up, typed in the iconfig, my bad, what did I click here? iconfig dash release, you know, that whole step that you do, then iconfig renew, that didn't do anything. I also went back into it and typed in this, I believe it's win sh or something along those lines, win sh reset. God damn, I can't remember the command, but it's one of those commands, and what that basically does is resets the network settings, everything back to default. That didn't work. Um, I went into control panel on the network adapters. I'm not even going to go to it. It's a waste of time. I went to the network adapters. I uninstalled the network adapter that was for this laptop, the Qualcomm 802, whatever it is, for the Wi-Fi. Reset the laptop. The laptop reinstalled it. Try to connect. Guess what? No luck. It didn't work again. Now, this is the fix that worked for me. So if you've tried all those things I just mentioned and none of it worked for you, maybe this will, because this is the only thing that worked for me. So after trying all of that, I opened up my start menu and typed in network, and I went to connect to a network, I believe so. Nope, sorry. I went to fucking network and sharing center. Yeah, so I typed in network, clicked on network and sharing center, and from there what I did is clicked on here, set up a new connection or network. And it gives you these options, right? So I clicked on manually connect to a wireless network and click next. Now you're gonna need to know the network name that you're connecting to. So as if you can see, mine is Jev Wi-Fi. So you need your network name and the password, right? So before you do anything on this screen, go here, right click and go to forget, which will remove that network. It's going to find it again, but you'll see what's going to happen. So that's the network I want to connect to, Jev Wi-Fi. Now as for security type, depends how you have it set up. Most likely it will be WPA2, which is what I have. And then for the password, I just have my basic password, which is that. Okay. And then all I did was put in that, start this connection automatically, click next, and it says successfully added Jev Wi-Fi. Now, when I did all of that, closed it, went back into this bad boy, this thing connected automatically because I put that it would connect automatically. If it didn't, you're going to have to go back in the screen and connect. But basically, that's what fixed my whole Wi-Fi issue, man. I don't know what happened, if that LAN cable or something caused an issue, But like I said, the IP config release didn't do it. Deleting the network adapter didn't do it. Like nothing worked. The only thing that worked was going into here, network and sharing center, set up a new connection or network, and manually connecting. So that's it. That's what helped me fix my Wi-Fi today, which had me going crazy for like 3 hours. Just wanted to share it with you guys in case someone's going through the same thing. And hope it helps you guys out. Let me know if it does. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right? Peace.